Alcohol costs 3.5 per liter and kerosene oil costs 2.5 per liter. In what proportion these two be mixed so that the resultant mixture may be 2.75 per liter? Now there are two ways to solve this question. One is the normal way and then there is an alligation trick. So first let's solve with the normal way. So let's assume that alcohol here is X liters and kerosene here is Y liters. Now in the question we are given that alcohol costs 3.5 per liter. So X liters of alcohol is bought at 3.5 per liter plus Y liters of kerosene is bought at 2.5 per liter, and then they are mixed together so that the resultant mixture may be 2.75 per liter. Now they are mixed together and the resultant mixture, which is X liter of alcohol and Y liter of kerosene, so this is the resultant mixture. This mixture cost 2.75 per liter. So we have the equation here. From this equation we can get the relation between X and Y. So let's do that now. So we get 3.5x plus 2.5y is equals to 2.75x plus 2.75y. Now 3.5x minus this 2.75x will give me 0.75x, and 2.75y minus this 2.5y will give me 0.25y. Now multiplying both sides by 100, we get rid of this decimal point. So we get 75x is equals to 25y, or I can say that this is 25 threes, or I can say that x by y here is 1 by 3. So the ratio that we get here is 1:3, and that is what we are asked, right? In what proportion these two should be mixed. So these two should be mixed in the ratio 1:3, and this is our required answer. So your option B is the correct one. Now this is one way of solving this question. Let's look at the alligation trick now. So alligation trick is something like this. We have alcohol which cost 3.5 per liter. We have kerosene which cost 2.5 per liter. Now both of the mixture are mixed and the resultant mixture cost 2.75 per liter. Now what we do is get the difference of 2.75 and 2.5 here. So the difference here is 0.25, and now get the difference of 2.75 and 3.5, which is 0.75, and write it here. So the ratio that we get here is 25:75, or I can say that this is 1:3, and that is what we are asked in the question. In what proportion should they be mixed? So they should be mixed in the ratio 1:3, and this is again a required answer. So we get the option B is the correct one. Now you can either solve it the normal way or you can use the alligation trick, because I prefer alligation trick because in this way the question can be solved much quickly, right? So this is how you solve the question.